Have you ever needed your Windows product key but had no idea where to find it? In this video, I'll show you one simple method to find your Windows 11 product key in just a few clicks. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, click on the Windows icon and type Registry Editor. You will see an app called Registry Editor. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once Registry Editor opens, double-click on HKey Local Machine. After that, find and expand the software folder. Now, scroll down and look for the Microsoft folder and expand it. From here, find Windows NT, which should be near the bottom of the list, and expand it as well. Next, click on Current Version and then find a folder called Software Protection Platform. Once you select it, look at the options on the right side. Here, you will see an option called Backup Product Key Default, and right next to it, you should see your Windows product key. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find your Windows 11 product key. Now, quick question. Did you know that by creating a restore point, you can bring your PC back to a working state if something goes wrong? A restore point can save you a lot of time and frustration. So before you leave, make sure to watch this video on my channel. Trust me, it's something every Windows user should know.